All right, I want to show you how the green tomato look. Now, I have a recipe for comeback sauce in its own soulfoodqueen.net, but I'm using Ken's steakhouse buttermilk ranch dressing on mine. This is a good dressing, y'all. This is Ken's, and it tastes fabulous. I love it. Okay, this is how the tomato supposed to look. Just like that inside, y'all. Look at that. Ooh. And I'm going to dip it in the sauce. It is delicious. This is fabulous, y'all. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Fabulous green tomato. It's good. I want y'all to try this recipe, and you will love it because it is something different. We do these fried green tomatoes in Washington, D.C., and New York, or wherever. They be wondering, where you get this recipe from? It's delicious. Look at that. Look at that. That's what it's supposed to look like inside. A little sauce on it. This is salad dressing. This is good. That's Sandra want to tell you happy eating, and thanks for coming to my channel. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I went to the store and I saw that they had some green tomatoes. Yes, indeed. These are beautiful green tomatoes. And I'm going to do some fried green tomatoes for y'all today and show you how easy it is for the southern style tomatoes. First, you have to clean them up real good, and then you're going to cut them sort of a thickness of them. So they're green. They are not ripe, y'all. They're green. So I cut mine about maybe a ½ an inch, just like this, y'all. Cut them down. It smells so terrific, y'all. Look, cut them like that, because it's going to be about 4 in this tomato. Cut them even. Now, I have a video on fried green tomatoes, but it has a comeback sauce to it. So y'all might have to go look at that comeback sauce, because I'm not going to do it today. So what I'm going to do is cut these tomatoes too. This right here will be fine. I'm going to show you how to do some. What you need to do is get you some fish fry. Yes, I get the Louisiana fish fry and mix half flour and half fish fry and make this batter. And then you're going to need some breadcrumbs. So what we're going to do with these tomatoes right here, we're going to salt and pepper. Make sure there's salt and pepper just like that on both sides. I hope everybody's doing great. Okay, with salt and pepper. I'm going to salt pepper and salt on this side. Just like this. These green tomatoes smell so good. This is the right side y'all need to get. And then we're going to add some accent. Accents brings out the flavor, y'all. So if you don't like using it, you don't have to use it. But I like to use it because it brings out that tomato flavor. Yes, it does. So do both sides with the accent. And then we're going to use some onion powder. Just a little onion powder. Now you can put anything you want on your dish. That's why I said you can use any. Put too much on this, y'all. You can use any season that you like. Yes, on your dish. That's what cooking is all about. You do what you like, and that's what you put on there. Now, I made a mess because you know what happened? I lost the top to this, but onion's not going to hurt that bad. So that's a mistake I did, so it's okay. So what we're going to do now is dip it in the wet batter, just like this. Just like that. Now you can add anything you want to your batter. Now this is what you do with this. Dip it just like that. Easy, y'all. Easy as pie. Easy, easy, easy. And then you're going to dip it in the oil. You make sure your oil is hot enough And drop it in there like that, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, don't that look good already, y'all? Drop it in there just like that. Yes, indeed. And I'll be right back and show you what it look like. All right, you see how beautiful it turned? I turned it over, and look how beautiful it is. It's beautiful, y'all. It's cooking real good. You're not cooking it real fast. You're cooking it just slow. See, when you put that season on top of tomato, and you have that accent to bring out the flavor of tomato, you got the little onion powder in there. Now, you don't have to use the onion powder. You don't want to. Use the black pepper and salt, just like this. See how that looks real good like that, y'all? That's what it's going to look like. So we're going to just let it cook just a little bit and make sure it's a little deep fryer thing so it can fry it real good, you know. So I'm going to show you how to do this again while that's over there. You're going to dip that in there like this. And dip it like that. So you see this how it's thick? That's how thick you want it. You don't want it to be running. You want it just like that. And then you're going to dip it inside your breadcrumbs. See that? See that? How that looks? And you're going to turn it over and you dip it like that. Now, after this comes out, you can add thyme or you can add rosemary to it if you like. Whatever you like, you can do that. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? That's a beautiful fried green tomato, isn't it, y'all? But I let it fry a little bit more longer because you want that tomato to be cooked in there, you know. So we're going to come right back and let's just see what we do next, okay? All right, I want you to see how I'm frying the green tomatoes so they can get ooey and gooey inside when you fry them real slow, not real fast, just enough that they can cook. I'm going to turn it over just like this and let you see how that looks. See how this green part right here of the tomato, the hug, how it's getting gooey right there? That's what you want. You want that right there. So you want to make sure that you fry it enough that it can cook and have that delicious taste to it. Okay? All right. I want to show you how the green tomato look. Now, I have a recipe for comeback sauce in its own soulfoodqueen.net. But I'm using Ken's Steakhouse Buttermilk Ranch dressing on mine. This is a good dressing, y'all. This is Ken's, and it tastes fabulous. I love it. Okay, this is how the tomato supposed to look. Just like that inside, y'all. Look at that. Ooh. And I'm going to dip it in the sauce. It is delicious. This is fabulous, y'all. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Fabulous green tomato. It's good. I want y'all to try this recipe, and you will love it because it is something different. We do these fried green tomatoes in Washington, D.C., and New York, or wherever. They be wondering where you get this recipe from. It's delicious. Look at that. Look at that. That's what it's supposed to look like inside. A little sauce on it. This is salad dressing. This is good. That's not going to tell you happy eating. And thanks for coming to my channel.